Imagine a world where everything you've ever known is gone. No electricity, no food delivery, no safety nets. How would you survive? That's where prepper movies come in. They give us a glimpse into how we could adapt, overcome, and thrive in a crisis. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to share the top 5 prepper movies you need to watch to get inspired and prepared for whatever might come next. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today, I'm giving you a list of prepper movies that will keep you on the edge of your seat, whether you're an experienced prepper or just starting your journey into self-reliance. Let's dive in. Let's get started with number 1, The Road, 2009. A film that shows the raw, emotional journey of a father and son surviving in a post-apocalyptic world. It's not just about survival, it's about the bond that keeps them going. A must-watch for anyone prepping for the worst. Next, number 2, The Book of Eli, 2010. In a desolate world, one man holds the key to humanity's future. It's not just about weapons and survival, it's about preserving knowledge for the next generation. Third, we have Mad Max, Fury Road, 2015. Fast cars, crazy stunts, and a world where fuel and water are scarce. If you love action with a survival twist, this one's a must-watch. Number 4, Children of Men, 2006. Set in a world where humans can no longer reproduce, this film follows a man tasked with protecting the first pregnant woman in years. A powerful reminder of the importance of hope in a world on the brink of collapse. Fifth, Snowpiercer, 2013. A train that never stops, but outside it's a frozen wasteland. This film dives deep into survival, class struggles, and resource scarcity. It's a unique take on prepping when the world as we know it is gone. Since you made it this far, I'm going to give you a bonus movie, The Day After Tomorrow, 2004. A gripping look at what happens when the climate goes into chaos and the world is forced to adapt. A fantastic movie that'll make you think about prepping for extreme weather events. Now, before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of these prepper movies are you going to watch first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching The Prepper's Path. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.